Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back to your English speaking practice. This is our special series called 5-Minute Fluency, where we spend just 5 minutes together improving our English speaking and building confidence, one day at a time. I am so happy you're here with me today. So tell me, how has your English speaking been lately? Are you speaking a little more? Are you feeling more confident? I really hope so. And if things are moving slowly, that's okay too. Remember, we are not here to be perfect. We are here to make progress, little by little, day by day. Today we're going to do something fun and incredibly useful. We're going to practice everyday phrasal verbs and expressions. You know, one of the biggest differences between textbook English and natural English is phrasal verbs. Native speakers use them all the time. They say things like, wake up, give up, figure out, carry on, work out. And my dear learners, if you learn these little phrases, your English will start to sound much more natural. So don't worry about memorizing everything today. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the process. Remember, fluency isn't about using difficult words. Sometimes the simplest expressions are the most powerful. All right, my lovely learners. Listen to me first, then repeat after me. Let's begin your English speaking practice with shadowing. I wake up early and practice English. Repeat. I wake up early and practice English. Repeat again. I wake up early and practice English. Great job! I will never give up on my English dreams. Repeat. I will never give up on my English dreams. Repeat again. I will never give up on my English dreams. Amazing! Keep believing in yourself. I'm trying to figure out how to sound more natural. Repeat. I'm trying to figure out how to sound more natural. Repeat again. I'm trying to figure out how to sound more natural. Awesome! You're doing great, even on difficult days. I carry on. Repeat. Even on difficult days. I carry on. Repeat again. Even on difficult days. I carry on. Excellent. Never give up. Everything will work out in the end. Repeat. Everything will work out in the end. Repeat again. Everything will work out in the end. Wonderful. Stay positive. I look forward to our speaking practice every day. Repeat. I look forward to our speaking practice every day. Repeat again. I look forward to our speaking practice every day. Brilliant. I write down new words in my notebook. Repeat. I write down new words in my notebook. Repeat again. I write down new words in my notebook. Amazing work. I turned down the volume so I could focus. Repeat. I turned down the volume so I could focus. Repeat again. I turned down the volume so I could focus. Excellent. I need to slow down and speak clearly. Repeat. I need to slow down and speak clearly. Repeat again. I need to slow down and speak clearly. Fantastic. You're improving every day. Little by little, things are coming together. Repeat. Little by little, things are coming together. Repeat again. Little by little, things are coming together. Beautiful. Keep going. Wow. Wonderful job today, my lovely learners. Phrasal verbs can seem difficult at first, but don't try to learn hundreds of them at once. Learn a few. Use them often. And slowly, they will become part of your everyday English. Remember, speaking English isn't about knowing everything. It's about using what you know with confidence. Before you go, tell me, which phrasal verb did you like the most today? And where are you joining from? Comment your country and add your flag emoji. If you completed today's practice, comment done. This is Tara, and I'll see you in the next episode of 5-Minute Fluency. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.